Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today's topic about simultaneously equations. So let's get start from this example. Okay, in this example, let's y and y in a both equations same number of the y. So we eliminate the y and find the x value. Okay, now how can we decide whether we add the equations or subtract? Okay, both y eliminate means we want to make the y 0, right? Here one y is a positive, one is a negative. So if we add them, then it gives us 0. So in short, whatever the variable we decide to eliminate, if both has a opposite sign, then we add the equation. If both has a same sign, means either both positive or negative, then we subtract the both equation. Okay, so here we do the addition. So 11 plus 9 going to be a 20, y going to be a cancel down, and 5x plus 3x going to be a 8x. Now I want to get rid of this 8, so we divide both sides by the 8. So here 8 cancel down and 20 divided by 8 gives us 2.5. Okay, so here now x value we know. So to find the y value, either one equation we will take. So we take this first equation. Okay, so 5 times x value now we know. So no more we are going to write this x, but we write the x value 2.5. So 5 times 2.5 plus y equal 11. Okay, 5 times 2.5 going to be a 12.5 plus y equal 11. Now 12.5 we will move opposite side, and when we change the side, we change the sign. You remember that, right? So that's going to be a take away 12.5. So y going to be a minus 1.5 value. So this is the y value and this is the x value. We figure out whether this answer of the a and y value is correct or not. So we take either one equation. We take this first equation or second equation. Let's take the second equation. 3x minus y equal 9, right? Now we know the x and y value. So I replace those value and then find out are they giving both side 9 or not. If it is given both side 9, then our answer is correct. So 3 times 2.5 minus 1.5, which is a y value. Okay, again here minus. Okay, y, this outside sign is a sign from here and y value is a negative. That's why I'm writing here minus. Okay, equal to 9. Okay, 3 times 2.5 going to be a 7.5. Okay, and here minus time minus going to be a plus 1.5 equal 9. 7.5 plus 1.5 going to be a 9 equal 9. So yes, our both values are correct. Okay, this is the way you can cross check your answer is correct or not. Otherwise not necessary to do this calculation. Okay, but if you want to confirm that your answer is correct or not, then do this step. Okay, let's move on. Okay, here in this example, y is a different number. In one equation y is a 3y, second equation has a y 1. But here look at this, x and x same number of x, right? Both have a 1x. So we try to eliminate the x. Okay, here both equation has a x is a positive, both has a same sign, both positive. So if I do here addition, then x plus x going to be a 2x, but I want the 0x. So instead of addition, we will do here subtraction. Okay, because I am doing x plus 3y equal to 9, take away x plus y equals 6. So this equation, second equation, every single thing change the sign. If it is positive, becomes negative. X was positive, become negative. Y was positive, become negative, and 6 also positive, becomes negative. Okay, I write this sign underneath it so that give me the idea that what am I going to do, whether I am adding or subtraction. Okay, so that is the only reason I write it here. So 9 take away 6, okay, which is a 3. Okay, 3y take away y, going to be a 2y. Okay, 3y take away 2 y, which is a 2, and this is going to be a cancel down. Okay, now both side we are eliminate 2, so divide by 2, so 2 divided by 2 equal to cancel down, and 1 divided by 3 divided by 2 going to go give us the 1.5. So y value is a 1.5. Okay, now we find the y value, so let's we figure out the x value. This time I am going to take this second equation. So x plus y value we know 1.5, so I replace y by the 1.5 equal to 6. Okay, now this 1.5 I am going to move opposite side, and when we change the sign, remember that rules. So x equal to 4.5, so x value is a 4.5, and of course if you want you can do the cross check. Let's we do the cross check. If you want, x plus y equals 6, I am taking second equation, x value is a 4.5 plus y value is a 1.5 equal to 6. So yes, 4.5 plus 1.5 going to be a 6, so 6 equals 6. So see, our answer is absolutely correct. Let's move on for the next example. So here first equation is given like this. Second equation, it looks literal different. 3x equals 6y plus 6. So this is not arranged what the way we need it. So we rearrange that equation first. We move the y to the left side. So 3x minus, it was a right side, 6y was a positive. So when it changed the sign, changed the side, it changed the sign. So becomes the minus 6y equals 6. Okay, I rearrange this. Okay, now we write them. So first at the top, first equation write it, and underneath this one. Okay, okay, now if you see x or y, no one is the same number of the variable. So what can we do? Here I choose the y. Why I choose the y? Because 2 is a factor of 6. So if I 2 multiply one particular number, then gives me 6, right? 2 times 3 gives us 6. So we can change, we can turn y to the 2y to the 6y by multiplying 3. But simple rules, you have to multiply every single things of this equation by the multiply by the 3. Okay, so what I am going to do, 5 times 3, 15x, 3 times 2, minus 6y, and 3 times 4 going to be a 12. Okay, so this equation, everything we multiply by the 3. So this is a new equation, I got it after multiplying by the 3, and second equation I write as it is. Okay, so this is our arrangement. Okay, now here, because we want to eliminate y and both y has a same sign, both are negative, so I am going to be here subtract this both equation. So as I told you, second equation will change the sign each term. So 3x is a positive, becomes the negative, 6y was a negative, becomes positive, 6 was a positive, becomes negative. Okay, now let's get start the calculation. 12 take away 6, going to be a 6, 6y negative and this 6y positive, so it is going to be a cancel down. 15 take away 3, going to be a 12x. Okay, now let's get rid of this 12, so divide both side by the 12. So here 12 cancel down, and x equals 6 divided by 12 going to be a 0.5. Okay, let's x value we plot any one equation. Okay, even you go back here the original first equation or second or a new one, either one. Okay, wherever you place x value, they all give you the same value of the y. I choose this second equation, 3x, so 3 times 0.5 minus 6y equals 6. Okay, 3 times 0.5 gives us 1.5. Take away 6y equal to 6. Okay, now 1.5 we move opposite side, so 6y, negative 6y equal to 6, take away 1.5, change the side, change the sign rules, remember, okay. Now minus 6y equal to 6, take away 1.5, going to be a 4.5. Okay, both side I am going to divide by 6 to get rid of this one. Okay, now here if we do 4.5 divide by 6 gives us minus y equals 0.75. Okay, this is the y value, but remember our subject never a negative, so this negative sign we move opposite side, or you could say the both side multiply by the negative number. Okay, negative sign, both side multiply by the negative sign, so negative negative going to be a positive, and here negative 0.75. this is the y value. If you want to cross check, insert this value in either equation and you will get the answer. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching.